waited. One of the sources told our correspondents. On Sunday, another separatist leader, Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igbo, who was in Cotonou, Republic of Benin capital, said that he was now legally free to return to Nigeria after 2 years. Igbo, who has since left the Republic of Benin to see his family in Germany, disclosed that he was now free to return to Nigeria and visit any country in the world. Yoruba Nation agitator said he had fulfilled all the legal conditions attached to his bail a few years back and is coming home to Nigeria, his country of origin, any moment from now. Igbo was arrested on July 20, 2021 at Cardinal Bernardin International Airport in Cotonou while trying to travel to Germany 3 weeks after he was declared wanted by Nigerian Secret Police, the Department of State Services. Nigerian government made efforts to have Igbo expedited to Nigeria from the Republic of Benin, like it was done in Nnamdi Kanu's case, but failed. He was later granted bail by a Benin Republic court and was allowed to remain in Cotonou. Igbos commended some prominent Yoruba indigenes, politicians, the media, academia, and monarchs for their support he enjoyed in Cotonou. Everyday People's Voice has reported that the Court of Appeal in October 2022 discharged Kanu of the counts filed against him. The appellate court subsequently barred any further arrest, detention, and trial of Kanu by the agents of the government. The Nigerian government later appealed against the judgment at the Supreme Court and subsequently got another panel of the Court of Appeal to stay the judgment of the appellate court. Despite the judgments in favor of Nnamdi Kanu, he remained in solitary confinement at the facility of the DSS. On Tuesday, Kanu, through one of his lawyers, Aloy Ejimako, said the Court of Appeal should not consider adjourning the hearing on ipods appeal challenging its proscription as a terrorist organization